Welcome to the Sage 50 Cloud Pastel Accounting How-To video. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can check if your Pervasive engine is running or not. This will be if your Pervasive has been installed as an application. If you have installed your Pervasive as an application, you will click on your Show Hidden Icons option. You will then choose the pillar with the little green dot, and this should say PSQL database preload. If you do not see this, you will then need to start the engine. Alternatively, if you are receiving an error code 20, a status 116, or a 161, we would advise that you right-click on this little icon and click on Stop Engine and Exit. Next, to start the engine, you will type Start in the search and you will look for Start PSQL Workgroup Engine or Start PSQL Engine. You will click on the icon and this will start the engine again. If you click on your hidden icon option, you will see it should go from red to green. And you can now attempt to open your Pastel program. If you are running Pervasive as a service, you will need to navigate to the control panel. Once you have opened the control panel, it will depend if you are running Windows 10 or Windows 11. For Windows 10, look for Services. In Windows 11, you will go to Windows Tools, and from Windows Tools, you will then select Services. If you are unable to find Services, you can also search the control panel and type in Services. That will then come up with a list based on what you have typed in, and you can select to view the local services or the administrative services. Once the services window has opened, you will then search for either Actian PSQL or Pervasive PSQL, and you will check whether the service is running or not. If the service is running, but you are receiving an error, you can then click on Stop Service, and this will stop the Pervasive engine from running. You will then again select the PSQL service and select Start Service. This will then ensure that the service has started. The startup type should be set to automatic. This will ensure that every time you switch on your machine, the Pervasive PSQL service will start. Please check if you are now able to open your Pastel program.